अरे
मैं आपको पहले सुने
Sure.
ಅದು ಉಜ್ಜರ್ ये पार्टी काय करताय नावे बस ना काय नाव्या फटाफट पीछे स्लो मस्त नादे कुठे नादे 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 ये नादे माँ नादा
Front. Painless childbirth is lacking even in the educated expectants. Moreover, there are many myths regarding it, and that causes a lot of hesitation for the family as well as the expectant mother to take painless delivery. Association of Obstetric Anesthesiology together take pride in taking this initiative for a social cause to educate and spread knowledge and awareness regarding painless childbirth. For the first time in India, a free download mobile app is available, and it is purely in lay terms for a lay person to understand. This app regarding painless childbirth options has pictures, videos, options, risks and benefits of each option. Genevia and Ritesh Deshmukh among us. I request Genevia and Ritesh Deshmukh to please come up. May I now request Dr. Ketan Parekh to please come on the dais. India and Ritesh to now launch the app. This is exactly how the app will look on your mobile screen. Yeah, and when you do this, there are a lot of windows which says why treat pain. When you go back to the menu, methods, go back. Okay, and it talks about various other options like Antonox as well. It talks about the risks and benefits. We go back. And it talks about opioid injections, natural therapy, and other options.
Good afternoon, everyone. I unfortunately, or whatever it's called, I had a C-section. So I wish this app was there earlier because I was heading for normal and somewhere down the line I couldn't, so I had to opt for a C-section. But when I was going in for normal, I had any number of questions before I went into the delivery room. One of them was if you don't use an epidural, you probably will be able to push better. So I almost was convinced by that at some level, and when I just entered in and spoke to Dr. Parekh, he was telling me that this is the exact reason why we're launching this app. So I think it's extremely necessary. Awareness is extremely necessary in childbirth. and deliveries. And being a mom of 2 kids, I can truly say that this is going to help a lot of mothers when there are so many questions the first time around and the second time around. I don't think much changes in terms of childbirth, except probably you're a little bit at ease. But with an app like Birthies, I'm sure the first time around you'll go and feeling much more confident about what's happening. And I think it's your right in some way to know what the procedure is and how it is, and to know how much it is going to help you, because as we all know, the labor pains can be the worst pain ever, and I've heard my friends and I've heard a zillion people say that never again because of, labor sometimes. And I think this will just help the population increase. But yeah, good luck, and thank you for launching this app, Birthies, because it is going to be the answer to a lot of questions to a lot of pregnant women.
Wow. Okay. First of all, good afternoon everyone. Thank you so much for having us here. A huge congratulations to the entire team for launching such a wonderful app that's going to give knowledge to all those who are seeking answers about labor pain and delivery, etc. Ginger, we were standing here on a stage with red carpet with bouquets in our hands, and I just told her that it feels like we are standing for a reception right now. You would say that just the two of us. But thank you for such a warm welcome. I don't know, really, husbands are a difficult job when it comes to pregnancy, and it's almost like someone hands you a Rubik's Cube all jumbled up, and that's the first time you see it, and then they tell you, can you solve it? And you're like, oh, what? I don't know what to do, I don't know how to do this. And that's exactly what I felt during pregnancy, because there were so many questions that I didn't know what to do. But I think because there's a third life that is going to come into the world, and we are too cautious and we are too careful about wanting to seek answers, because we don't know, we're not too sure, is this the right thing we're doing? Is it correct? Is it going to harm the baby? Is it going to harm you? And eventually, hello, baby, hello. And so many times, these unanswered questions eventually create doubt, and they put you on a back foot. And then you say, let's go by the basic thing, we don't know what to do. But thankfully, be it Dr. Parekh or Rosa Sharia, we were blessed with brilliant doctors who guide us for a better treatment. And I always feel that, everyone needs to be lucky to have great doctors, and I'm sure that all of you, whoever you're treating, all of those people are extremely lucky to have such talented bunch to guide them. But now you have something that's going to guide people right at their homes, at the office, or wherever they are. And a lot of unanswered questions will be answered because of this app. So anyway, I just want to wish all the best, and thank you once again for having us here. Thank you.
As a husband, I think you understand it so well, I really appreciate. I have come across patients who are in labor, and when they are in real pain, you know what to do? They also hold the husband's hand very tight, and they pinch him and they squeeze him. I know one of the patients who
I just want to take this. Obviously, we are blessed with 2 children. The first delivery, I went into the delivery room. Dr. Ketan was there, Dr. Sherry was there. We entered, and suddenly some music was going on, some conversation happening. I thought I was at a dinner table. The only thing that my wife was on a table like that.
It was great because I didn't even realize the stress of the delivery at that point in time, or like what most people say, because we were concentrating on which angle should we take for baby to come out. I mean, they photographs. Yeah, but yeah, so we have that on record, which is I think very, very special.
I'm so glad that you have had a wonderful experience. I would now request Dr. Ketan Parikh to speak a few words.
I don't have any words. All I want to say is I know what it means to them to come here at home. So I sincerely thank, and I want all of you to give them a round of applause because they did a very good job, a crucial job creating awareness, and I sincerely thank them. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
हे बाळा काय करतोस तू बाळा
इससे कितना कितना फायदा होगा इस ऐप से? कितना फायदा होगा इस ऐप से?
आपकी शादी हुई है, बच्चे हो गए, आपके लिए तो अभी कुछ फ़ायदे का है नहीं, लेकिन जिनके नहीं हुए और जो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं या जो प्रेग्नेंट माएँ हैं और फैमिलीज़ हैं, मुझे लगता है उन सबको ये सारी जानकारी ज़रूर मिली। बहुत सारे सवाल होते जिनके जवाब हमारे पास नहीं होते या गलत जवाब होते, जो सारी गलत धारणाएं प्रेगनेंसी से जुड़ी हुई हैं या प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान जो पेन होता है उससे जुड़ी हुई हैं। मुझे लगता है कि ये ऐप बहुत उनकी मदद करेगा और सारे जो सवाल हैं उनके जवाब उन्हें मिल जाएंगे, क्योंकि जब हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे बहुत सारे हमारे सवाल थे जिनकी हमारी समझ अलग थी, लेकिन जब अच्छे डॉक्टर्स मिलते हैं तो वो आपकी समझ को सही दिशा देते हैं। तो मुझे लगता है ये ऐप वही काम करेगा।
ओके, आखिरी सवाल आपसे, जैसे कि ये आपको घर भी जाना है,
घर भी जाना है, घर ही जाना है, घर ही जाना है।
जब हम गांव देहात की बात करते हैं वहाँ पे औरतों में या महिलाओं में इस तरह की जागरूकता कम होती है। जब हम लेबर पेन की बात करते हैं, जिस तरह से हमने ऐप लॉन्च किया, वहाँ पे भी बहुत ज़रूरत है। उसके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे? व्हाट वी नीड टू बी डन?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि आपके माध्यम से अगर ये बात उन तक पहुँचे और ये फ़िलहाल अभी अंग्रेज़ी में आई एम श्योर दे विल टेक लुक एट इसको अलग अलग लैंग्वेज में बनाकर, ताकि जिस भी भाषा में लोग इसे पढ़ना चाहे उसमें पढ़ पाएंगे। आई एम श्योर दे विल बी वर्किंग ऑन समथिंग लाइक दिस, बट आई थिंक इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि इसका अवेयरनेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़े। वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज़ में इसकी अवेयरनेस बहुत ज़्यादा है, पर मुझे लगता है कि जो डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन हमारे देश में फ़िलहाल हो रहा है और जो क्रांति हो रही है, आई थिंक उसी का सहारा लेकर ये ऐप और आपके माध्यम से हर जगह जरूर पहुंचेगा।
Ritesh, before you leave, though I understand the question is not relevant to the event.
Thank you so much. Since it's not relevant, then not relevant. Thank you. Thank you.
Just take one click.
साहेब इकडे लेफ्ट साइडला सर
अरे किती फोटो काढा बाबा,
चांगले फोटोज लागणार।
Thank you so much. Thank you.
काय करतो मुद्दाम फिरते आता बोला पाठी फिरते आता बोला पाठी लाइट चालू है थोड़ा पार्टी कंगवा के पार्टी थोड़ा पार्टी वाह।